Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung monitor. In this video I'll show you how to change display resolution. In the beginning, let's go to Menu and Settings. Next you want to go to System and Display. Select your monitor and go to Display Resolution. Select resolution you are interested in. If you're using the monitor with laptop, you have to select Extend this display or duplicate the displays. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.